name is Rahul Singh and welcome to the first video of Catia series. And this is really very important because this is first video, and I'm sure that you will learn from your heart. Okay. And in very first video we learn about only interface and how mouse works. Okay. This is one type of visualization of Catia when you open the Catia V5 first time. Okay, and this is the first menu: start, Novia, V5, VPM, file, edit, view, insert, tool, window, help. Okay, and these are the planes. When you make the design here, so every plane is having its place. Okay, so for the selecting the place, we can select from here itself, either from the mouse, either from this area. Okay, so these are the planes, and we'll do the first setting of this software in tools. This is first learning we have to learn. Open the tools, then options, then these are the basic settings. Okay, in this very important is general, automatic backup. Like if you're working on the software and after 1 hour if you forget, it is very difficult to recover. Okay, so this fix it on the 15 minutes. Okay, then second is very important thing is parameters and measures. Okay, in this open units. See, I'm in India, but you may be in other country also. So this fix it on the millimeter, mm. Okay, this may be or may not be on the mm, so fix it on the mm. Okay, check your degree, second, kilogram, so mks, what is your country measures. Okay, that you fix it. That is really very important, because if you make the design and it will not be in mm, then it is very difficult for you. Okay, so this is the basic setting. Now I'll teach you how mouse works. Okay, for mouse I need to make one sketch. Give me a second. So this one box I have made it. Okay, but how it works? See, mouse is having 3 parts. Okay, left click, middle wheel, and third one is right click. Okay, so when you have to move the part, okay, just press the middle wheel. Okay, and drag it left and right, up or down. Okay, so it will drag it. Just keep the press on the wheel. Okay, second point, when you press the wheel one time, okay, continue, and left side click, then it turns zoom in or zoom out. Okay, what we have to do, just click the wheel, then left click, see, and drag the mouse. This is zoom and zoom out option. Third one is rotation of the part. Okay, so click the wheel, click the wheel and right and drag it. What we have to do, press the wheel and right click and drag the mouse. This is the rotation of mouse. and this is the mouse function, this is the visualization of the Catia. Okay, now delete it first. Okay, now what we have to learn in the first video, see, every design is having own function. Okay, so before the making it, we have to think that which kind of part we are going to make. Okay, like it is a part design, assembly design, wire design, analysis, or something else. So this is the option. First option is start. Okay, in the start, mostly we need to use it mechanical design. In the mechanical design, so many things are there, but in the initially stage we have to use part design first, then assembly design, then sketcher, then weld design, mold design. Okay, so every normal design we have to make on the part design. When we are making one part, okay, one part, single part, so we have to design on the part design. So when you open the part design, just click on that. So this here new part will come. Okay, enable hybrid design, so many things are there in Catia, that's why it is very good software. Okay, so first you have to set on enable hybrid design, then okay. Okay, this is your first part. Okay, now we have to make part design. This is view type. So in this, so many options are there. Okay, these are the properties, knowledge, view, 3D device, this we'll learn later. Okay, so in this video what we have learned, the first thing is visualization of the Catia. Okay, the second thing, how mouse is working. Three buttons are there, left, right, and middle. So how zoom in, zoom out will be there, and how dragging will be there, and how rotation will be there. Okay, these are the first learning. And how we can start the part modeling. We can go to start, we can go to mechanical design, then we have to put part design. Okay, if we have to go part design, if we have to make part design, then we have to go part design, and assembly, if assembly, and then assembly drawing. Okay, then sketcher. This is first video. In second video we learn about sketch. That is the first step of this design software. Okay, that is sketch. Okay, that I'll teach you. Thank you very much for seeing first video. Wait for second video. Thank you, and subscribe the channel also, please.